Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the egg bunny decorator from Join. Come on guys, let's unbox it.
This video is sponsored by Join. The Bunny Egg Decorator is an art and craft product, which includes 10 different colors, non-toxic, quick-drying markers that you can store in his pockets.
Okay guys, so I am now gonna put my boiled egg right here. Right here. And there you go. There you go. Now let's turn it on. Alright, let's begin. I'm gonna use red. Look guys, we finished our egg. It looks so beautiful. I love the patterns. Come on, let's do the next one.
You can find the egg decorator at join.com, and the link is in the description below. Also, don't forget to give them a follow on Instagram at join_co.
Look guys, I just finished my second egg. Look how beautiful it looks. Alright, let me take it out. There you go. Look how pretty it is. I had so much fun doing egg decorating with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!